Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from Code Revolution. So let me show you the latest update for Aimogen. It includes now related posts using AI. So you can find in the AI shortcodes and forms this new shortcode. It will allow you to simply embed this shortcode into a post and it will show related posts to that specific post. So let me list some posts that I have here on my site. I have posts about dogs, about WordPress, about dogs and cats. These are dogs and cats. WordPress once again, and some unrelated posts. And let me show you that the plugin is able to automatically list the posts which are related to the newly published post that I create now. So let's say dogs and cats in 2026. And now let me grab some content from here. Let's paste it and let's remove parts of it, edit it, and let's do some editing. Let's make this like this so it will become longer. Okay, now to display the related posts, copy this shortcode and add to the end here related posts, and be sure not to bold the shortcode and hit publish. So now after we've done this, we can check the post on the front end, and here they are my posts, which are other posts related to dogs and cats. So we can see cats and dogs 2025. So cats and dogs 2025, dogs and cats in 2025, and so on. Now let me go and do a post about WordPress, for example. So let's say add post, WordPress plugins and themes in 2025, and let me grab some content for this post so we can get some WordPress related stuff for this post. For example, some stuff from here, and we can edit it to make it different. WordPress in 2025 is cool. WordPress 1, WordPress 12, 13, 14, and yeah, so we can do some new stuff here. And to display the related posts as before, we need to add the related post shortcut. So this is it. Aiomatic related post limit 4 and threshold 0.75. So let me add this. I will explain also what are the parameters for it. So let's say related posts and simply paste the shortcode. So the limit is the maximum number of posts it will show. It will show 4 related posts at max, and threshold 0.75 means that the similarity of posts with which it will be shown should be greater than this. So if you set the threshold to 0.9, then very similar posts will be shown only. If you set this to 0.1, then very little similarity between the posts which will be shown will be between the posts will be shown, which will be shown. So let's say 0.75 is a fair number here, and let's hit publish, and we can check now. And here it is, WordPress, 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 WordPress. So all are WordPress related posts, and if we go and check here, they are ultimate guides. Yeah, so as you can see, the plugin is able to really fast, in a really fast manner, to make the connections between the posts which are related using AI. And all you have to do to set this up is install Aimatic and add your OpenAI API key here in the API keys settings. Afterwards, here in the API keys tab, afterwards you can include this shortcode, which is the new shortcode, and the related posts will show up like this. So note one thing is that the plugin will be able to display these related posts only if it learns about your WordPress site. So the plugin might not display new posts, related posts when you install the shortcode, but it will learn over time and new results will show up for you. So refresh and the site and wait a couple of hours and new related posts should be showing up for you. So this is all for today. Let me know if you have ideas, suggestions. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. It's really appreciated. Bye bye.